From there, what emerged was a logo that lives with all of us. The logo centrally talks of two lamps that are present, which connote the concept of Guru Shishya Parampara that was implemented and is being tried to be implemented as a continued legacy that we are all in. The illumination of the two lights when they connect together is represented by the spectrum, which just tries to convey the volume of knowledge that can get generated and that can be spread across. M.L. Dhawale brought in two novel concepts. One concept was the logo, the tagline of Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. It was a very interesting phenomena for me in my life, in my journey, to try to trace back from where did he identify this phrase at all. And that took me to Bhagavad Gita. And then we were somewhere down the line able to connect all that he wrote in the symposium volume, went on elaborating on Bhagavad Gita and trying to bring that to homeopathy, also got conjoined. Second thing that he brought to our orientation is the care concept of care that all of us have been trying to pursue and trying to bring about to fruition with the help of our efforts to treat patients. So there's a concept of care of patients. There's a concept of care of learners. We still believe, and we strongly believe, that nurturing talent is something that has to be done from the inceptions of the child's entry to the institution. And therefore, the learner care, and as a consequence of these two interactions, there was a substantial knowledge that gets built, and this is the knowledge that needs to be nurtured. This nurturing of knowledge was done by him through the standardized case record that today stands in its 9th edition. The most significant component that I have encircled on the slide and on the case record is the concept of physician and an observer. Friends, this is how the ideas were converted, where a person starts as an observer, engages with the physician who treats the patient, then switches the chairs and then he becomes the patient, a physician who is being observed for a performance. And as on today, the National Commission looks upon this as entrustable professional activities. So this is something that gets cultivated through the sheer engagement of the Guru and the Shishya.